Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosa, they call me my Madudu. Today, I'm here to talk about the music industry and the importance of the content ID on YouTube platform, and hopefully answer all the questions regarding the content ID. So let's get straight into the topic. What is content ID? So content ID is the tracking device of audio files on YouTube platform. So as an artist, if you upload your music with the distributor and tick on the content ID, what will happen is all your music will create a content ID which will be recognized as a tracking device on the YouTube channel. Basically, what will happen, your distributor will be able to track any platform that uses your music and you get the royalties out of that. So for you as a musician, what does it mean? So it means any platform that uses your snip of your music, you will get a share of the royalties, which will be collected by the tracking system on YouTube. This is very important source of income to you as an artist, so that you don't miss out on any royalties that you are entitled to. Because content ID, as I say, it's a tracking device which tracks all your music which has been used on any platform, therefore not missing out on any money. A content ID on YouTube, it's also a way of tracking your works, so that if any platform that might use your music, they'll be able to detect it and collect royalties for you. It will be very rare to get someone to infringe your music or copyright your music without it being tracked by the distributors. So what happens if you activate the YouTube ID content on the distributor platform? This will allow you to earn money, to monetize, without waiting to create 4,000 hours or 1,000 subscribers on YouTube channel. That is the advantage of using YouTube ID content on distributor platforms. It's beneficial from the beginning, unlike if you just put your music straight on YouTube platform. You'll be losing out because you'll have to wait to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 viewing time. It is really good to make sure you activate ID content when you use distributors. There are 3 things which you can actually do with YouTube content ID. First, you can actually block anyone who's trying to use your music. You can do that without any problem because you would have activated the content ID during your registration on the distributors. Number 2, you can do with the content ID, which is very, very important. If you find any channel which needs to use, or a company which needs to use your music and market for you without monetizing it, what you can actually do on the distributor platform, you can actually whitelist your music so that they can market it for you for free without them being blocked. It's another way of marketing your music, because as a new up-and-coming artist or as an artist, you want your song to be heard around the world. Sometimes it's worth giving these companies the opportunity to play a snip of your song, just so that your song can be out there without working too hard. But at the same time, you have to do what's called whitelist. You have to inform the distributors that this particular company or a channel wants to use. You have agreed that they can use your song, so that if they use it, they are not blocked by the distributor. What does the whitelist mean? It means your song is going to be excluded from that channel so that it can be used without monetizing as per your agreed with that individual company or with the channel. You can also do with your own channel. So to upcoming artists, what you need to understand or what you need to know, if you want to live stream your music on different platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, then you need to whitelist your music with the distributor. If you selected to activate your ID content, then if you just go ahead without informing the distributor that you're uploading the music, it will simply be blocked. You won't be able to do so. Thereby, you'll be also losing on marketing your music. So it is very, very important to know the two, that you cannot just go up and upload. Once you've activated content ID on the distribution platform, then you know it's important. Once you've activated YouTube content ID, it's important you also inform the distributors if you want to upload or to put live streaming your music on different platforms, your different platforms, so that you don't get blocked. Channels such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you have to whitelist your own music, because if you don't do that, it will just get blocked. So it is important for artists to know that each time they want to upload their music on their own separate channel, then they have to whitelist this song with the distributor so that it doesn't get blocked. I hope it makes sense. Again, I try to use a lemon English so that artists out there, they're familiar with the advantages of certain things such as the YouTube ID content. To all my viewers and those who are new on my channel, thank you for coming, and thank you for subscribing. Please don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell so that each time I upload a new video you'll be notified. And thank you for watching, and bye bye.